Hello, Miss Samuel. Today I'm going to read a story about Please Do Not Sneeze. Anina was on the beach with Wilf and Wilma. It was sunny, but the sea was chilly. There were lots of people on the beach. Wilf had a bristly catch he called Mind the People. Anina ran to catch the frisbee. She nearly ran into some children. The children looked upset. The children were lost. We can't see Mommy and Daddy, said the girl. The children were called Lily and Charlie. Anina and Wilma took them to the lost children hut. We will wait with you until your mommy comes, said Anina. Let me tell you a story, said Anina. In a far off land, there were a princess, but she had a problem. The princess called Sophia. The problem was her sneeze. When she sneezed, it sounded as if she was saying funny things like cheesy feet or stinky stocks. People, said Sophia, was shouting at them. They did not like it. She called me cheesy feet. The queen was cross with Sophia. You need better manners, she said. What a cheek. Mostly teeth, Sophia sneezed into her handkerchief. Even the king was cross with Sophia. Tut, tut, he said. You bad girl. Sophia sneezed harder and harder. I do not mean to be bad, said Sophia, but when I sneeze, people think I am shouting at them. Sophia was so unhappy that she ran off. She ran deep into the forest, but soon she was lost. She sat down on a bed of leaves. I will rest my head on these leaves, she said. And she soon fell fast asleep. She was asleep all night. To her relief, she did not sneeze at all. Sophia sat up with a start. I
ฟิลนะ field mouse.
A field mouse, an owl, and a donkey were looking at her. You must be sneezing, princess, said the little mouse. Yes, I am, said Sophia, but out there in the forest, I did not sneeze at all. People sneeze a lot, said the donkey. There is too much dust and in their houses, too much dust. The king and queen ran up. Sophia, said the king, we have found you. What a relief. Just then Charlie saw his mommy. Charlie, Lily, she said, I have found you. What a relief. We did like the stories, said Lily. Sophia did stop sneezing. What do you think? Asked Anina. Yes, if they did the dusting.